Okay, guys, so I was looking over your Google form and I noticed that these were the two most frequently missed questions on there. The very first one's asking you guys about a pet shop owner, and he asked 200 of his customers about whether they own a cat or dog. Some of the information was already pre-filled in for you guys, and some of it you guys have to derive it from what's given. So the first part, they tell you guys that there's 200 people that were asked. So that is our grand total right here. The next part, they tell you guys that one half of the people that were asked own a dog but not a cat. So then half own a dog but not a cat. So yes to dogs, but no. And so then one half of 200 would give us 100 here. The next part, the number of customers who own neither a dog nor a cat is 38. So that's a no to a dog and no to a cat, and that's already there for us. The next one is that there are no customers who own both a dog and a cat. So there's nobody that has yes and yes. So therefore we have the 0. Now the rest of this to fill out is that we're going to either add or subtract, just depending on what direction we got to go in. So if we're adding, we will get our total here. If we got to subtract, it's because we're missing something within inside the joint values. So on this one here, we can just go straight addition. 0 plus 100 gives us a total of 100. 0 plus 38 gives us a value. We don't know that yet. All right, we'll come back to that. Here we can go 100 plus 38, and we can get a total of 138 here. This one, we are missing information because 0 plus something gives us, well, we don't know that yet. So now let's go back to what we do know though. Here, this value plus this one should give us 200. So then 100 plus some value gives us 200. Well, we can do the difference then. So 200 minus that 100 gives us 100 for this missing piece here. Now the same idea, some number plus 38 gives us 100. What would that have to be? Well, if we don't know what that is, we can find the difference between what we do know, which is that 100 minus the 38, and that gives us 62 for our answer. And just to fill it in, since we're already here, 0 plus 62 gives us 62. So the answer you were looking for is right there. And then the next one that you guys have is this last one. So they give you guys a little table about freshmen and sophomores and how they get to school. The question that you were asked was find the joint relative frequency of students surveyed who walk to school and are in grade 9. Well, first you gotta make sure you know what the joint values are, which are these right here. So then you're looking at the value of the students who were surveyed. So students who were surveyed is 200. And of those 200, how many of those walk and are in grade 9? So then that's what you're looking for right there. All right, that's all.